Today we will demonstrate how to set up group sync on your Apollo stereos. Group sync on the Apollo stereos allows you to group multiple stereos together. You can also power the stereos on and off as a group while retaining group functionality, such as sharing audio across your stereos. For today's demonstration, we will be setting up group sync between a Fusion Apollo MS-RA770 Marine stereo and a Fusion MS-SRX400 Marine Zone stereo. Groups will not appear as an option without multiple stereos on the network. The stereos on the network need to be physically connected with network cables or connected over a Wi-Fi network in order to function. We will start on the Fusion Apollo MS-RA770. Select Menu from the home screen. Then select Settings. Select Power Options. Now enable Group Sync. Repeat this process on the Fusion MS-SRX400 Marine Zone stereo. You will now be able to group both the Fusion Marine stereos together. Select Menu on the Fusion Apollo MS-RA770. Then select Groups. Select your MS-RA770. Checkmark all stereos that you want to group and select Done. You can now play audio across your group stereo. You will see a prompt when powering off a group stereo. Power off powers off the individual stereo. Group off powers off all grouped stereos. All off powers off all networked stereos. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.